everyone, Del here, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the mini traditional flint and steel fire kit from Beaver Bushcraft. Beaver Bushcraft makes some excellent little fire tinder kits. I'll just show you this. So it is the mini one. It's the mini fire kit. You can see it there. So it's more pocket size than the usual big ones you get. This is a great little kit, this. Ideal actually for your little pouches on the front of your survival knives, things like that. You see how small it is? It's just like a wee mini mint tin. But I'm going to show you this, guys, and we'll light it up and see how it does. So I've got some tinder nest ready. This was just out of an old parcel box, just wood shavings there. It's a little bit windy, and just for safety, because of all the decking and everything like that, I'm going to keep it inside the tray. So let's take a closer look at this. So we'll take a closer look at this. There's different ones on the website. This steel is called Drogan. Nice little mini size steel. See it there? Some jute twine, shredded jute, a bit of amadou, and some flint shards. So we'll use this. I do like amadou. We'll just use what they've given us just now and see how we use it. So like I say, it's a little micro kit. Really good. Put that there. And we'll tear off a piece of amadou, just stretch it and it'll last longer. So I'm just going to use a little bit of it just now. Now I'm going to get a little bit of jute in there and put it in the centre of the nest for when we light that. Okay. So when I've got Drogan, we'll turn it upside down so the head strikes down and it gives us a better purchase on it. And we'll just look for a sharper side for it to take a strike, and I'll just put that just on there, just enough to catch it. Okay, so let's see how we do with this. As you can see, I've not used it before. I love the smell of amadou. I lost that on there. Let's just do it again. Real time. Quite often you see all this stuff cut out of the videos, don't you? But let's just fluff this up a bit. This takes a little bit longer, that wood stripe. I don't actually know where it come from, but let's just get it on there again. Nice sparks off that. The wind's just blowing the sparks just now. So let's see if we can get this lit. Drogan in the flames. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. See you on the next one.